and welcome to our Albania video. Go! Echo! Echo! On the Talking Mountain! Hello! Hi! Hello! How are you? I'm good! Thank you! Here we are at Komani Lake. We are waiting for a ferry to tour the lake, but sadly it was closed, so we had to wait for the next day.
I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love.
We managed to get on a private boat the next day. We enjoyed the view around us.
What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me now. Oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish yeah. Oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish and every time it gets too real, and every time I feel like sabotaging, and I start running. Oh, and every time I push away, I really wanna say that I'm sorry. I say nothing. I wanna stay the whole night.
It felt nice to be in the open air, all alone, just us.
I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say what
Blue eyes.
Let's see all of this nice clear water, guys. It's like glacier water.
It's clean here.
wish that I could let you love me now. Oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish, oh, I wish
You gonna go next?
Go. Be careful. Okay.
sunrise, show you that you're my only. Ay. I wanna stay with you till the morning, lay with you till the sunrise, Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love.
Okay, Max. Hi. Hi. Where are we? We're in
D'Angelo
yeah, D'Angelo.
and eating breakfast. Again, in the same place.
Yeah. We got bubble tea. The bubbles in your mouth, they actually pop.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Max got
bubble gum.
okay.
This beautiful city is the capital of Albania.
Which way? You wanna move through here?
This is a Roman amphitheater in the city of Durres. This black store is one of our favorites, very recommended when visiting Durres.
What are you eating?
A birek.
We're having a nice warm hot birek from that store right there.
After a long hot day, we went for a swim here in Durres.
Hi guys.
We went for a short walk to this waterfall.
How is it, Max?
This is the Swim Canyon. It holds a large river in the bottom that you are able to go river rafting or paddling in there in the summer. Sadly, it wasn't summer, but we were able to see its wonderful view. Here we took a shortcut to an amazing hot springs we heard about. Sadly, the shortcut took forever though, because of the off-road trail that we took.
our 4x4 and going to the hot spring. Tube is deflating the air so we can be comfy in the rough road.
Join us next week when we explore the amazing hot springs and the rest of Albania.